everybody, and welcome back to another code interview with the very famous app called Thunkable. This is where you can code your own applications by dragging well, not exactly dragging, but you can search the web for pictures and type up in other stuff. So if you do a live test, it will, or you could. Now a computer is talking about whatever that I've coded in real life. If you go to blocks, there's this. So a computer speaks whatever I've just texted over here. There's many more stuff Thunkable could do, but that's the only thing. Goodbye, everybody!